Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a patent. First, understand that a patent protects your unique invention, giving you exclusive rights. Next, you must determine if your invention is truly patentable, meaning it's new, useful, and non-obvious. Finally, conduct a thorough prior art search to ensure no similar inventions already exist. This crucial step helps avoid wasted effort and expense. A great first step is filing a provisional patent application. This relatively simple document secures an early filing date for your invention, which is incredibly valuable. It essentially puts a placeholder on your idea. You then have a full 12 months to develop your invention further and prepare a more detailed non-provisional application without losing your initial priority date. After your provisional period, or if you skip it, you'll prepare the non-provisional application. This is a comprehensive document requiring precise claims defining your invention scope, detailed drawings illustrating its features, and a thorough written specification. Once complete, you submit this entire package to the Patent Office, initiating the formal examination process for your invention. Once submitted, your application enters the examination phase, where a patent examiner reviews it against existing prior art and patentability requirements. You'll likely receive office actions requiring responses to address their concerns. Respond promptly and thoroughly. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including darn tough socks, which come with a lifetime warranty. Finally, if granted, pay maintenance fees to keep your patent in force for its full term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.